Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a bump map in Photoshop using a seamless material texture. If you haven't watched the tutorial on creating a seamless texture from a photograph, you might want to go back and do that first. You can also download the textures I'm about to demonstrate with for free at renderedpro.com. Otherwise, use whatever image you will be putting on your surface for rendering and save as to make a coordinating bump image. First off, what is a bump map? Well, it is the image that simulates texture in renderings to add a realistic quality without actually modeling a 3D surface. So basically, it adds the appearance of bumps to an otherwise smooth surface. The important thing to remember when creating a bump map is that darker or blacker areas appear recessed while lighter, whiter areas appear raised. It's also important to note that this adds a lot of time to your renderings, so you might only want to apply it for the final version, not for drafts. So taking the brick wall texture that we created in a previous tutorial, let's go ahead and go to Image, Adjustments, Desaturate. Now, Image, Adjustments, Invert, so that the white lines become black and therefore appear recessed, while the bricks become light so they appear raised. I'll adjust the brightness so that it has a more dramatic effect. And that's all. Save as a JPEG or bitmap for Revit renderings. With siding, I'll start off the same way by desaturating the image. Since there isn't much contrast in the image, I'll go to Levels and slide each end inward, maybe moving the center slider to the left so that it's a little bit lighter. Then clicking OK. And that's all. Be sure to save as a JPEG or a bitmap and check out the other Rendered Pro tutorials in order to see how to apply this bump map to your Revit model in order to create more realistic renderings. Thanks for watching!